Whoever this message is for, you're going through quite the initiation right now.
And I still wanna be here in the morning. I just wanna stay wrapped up in your serotonin.
Okay. I don't think that was a coincidence at all. That was really wild. It just said, to me, that was a love song. So I feel like whatever you're going through is an initiation with love. I feel like you've gone through quite the journey over the years, whether you've been single and needing to be with yourself, or you've gone through many relationships, dating many people, and needing to learn how to love yourself, whether it was through self-love on your own, or through having to choose yourself after being in toxic relationships. And so you're going through another initiation phase right now. I'm hearing deep surrender. A deep surrender for God's plan. Because I feel like you either just met someone within the last year, or you're about to meet someone. Someone new is in your life. And this has the potential for the long term, the long haul. Like, I have whole body chills right now. Like, what is it? Sacred union. This has the potential for sacred union. This is such a sweet energy. But there's a lot of pain in this as well. There's a lot of pain because, oh wow, my heart. You're afraid to trust this. You're afraid to trust this new person because you've been burned before, or you've been just on your own. And so it's like letting someone in is scary. It's scary. But I want you to know that I'm seeing thousands of angels. There are thousands of angels guiding you two beautiful souls together. And I'm just hearing, release the stories, release the pain, be in the moment, breathe, my child. I'm hearing God come through. I'm with you. God is saying, I am with you. I am here. You have nothing to fear. Remember, my dear, that fear is an illusion. It is a distortion. It is used to control, to keep you small, to keep you hidden, to control. Release the fear. For some of you, these stories that you're releasing is that it's better on your own, that you are safer on your own, that it is safer to just not commit to someone. Some of the stories that you have is that you're not worthy. You're not good enough for something like this. That one's getting me really emotional. Holy crap. I feel like you've been through so much pain when it comes to love that you developed a story in your head that it's never going to happen, and that either it's better on your own or you're not worthy of it. And my love, oh my love, you are so worthy of this. I'm hearing sacred union. There has been so much pain and distortion and so much healing that you've been doing. You deserve this. You are worthy of this love. Incoming. It's incoming. 111. I just got a message and it was 111 on the timer. It's incoming. And now I'm hearing hairspray. You can't stop the beat. It's like, you can't stop the motion of the ocean or the sun and the sky. Oh, you can't stop this love from coming in. Excuse me. As I was getting that download, Spirit was saying, tell them to know how worthy they are. Tell them that it is safe. You are so worthy of this love, and you are safe to be in this love. I feel like you have fallen so deeply in love with yourself, and whatever these stories are, were hidden underneath the subconscious mind. And like this person that you have met and some of you are about to meet them. So there's like 20% of you that are about to meet them. 80% of you have already met them. It could be someone from your past. I'm not talking about a toxic ex, okay? Please know the difference. I'm not talking about a toxic ex. This is somebody that you've had an amazing connection with. So you're either about to meet them, 20% of you, or you've already met them, not a toxic ex, amazing connection with this person. Yeah, goosebumps. Thank you for the confirmation. What was I saying? Okay, this connection with the person, it's like what was bubbling underneath the subconscious, underneath your subconscious, those old stories, they're being obliterated. Did you hear that bang? They're being obliterated. Like, it's breaking down to the core root of those beliefs and where that came from, because the distortion is not welcome. It is safe to open your heart again. It's 11:11 on my time right now. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's 11:11 right now. Make a wish. True love is here. True love's kiss. True love is here. And honestly, I'm just hearing there's destiny and you can't stop this. You can't stop the beat. Ever since this whole world began. You shake it, shake it, shake it, man. So I'm gonna shake and shimmy it the best that I can today. You can't stop the motion of the ocean or the sun in the sky. And if you try to hold me down, I'm gonna spit in your eye and say, you can't stop the beat. Wow, I have whole body chills right now. This love connection is destined, and you can't stop it from coming into fruition. There's nothing, that's it. Spirit's saying, love yourself, know that you are worthy. It's coming in, it's here. 111 on my timer again. Holy crap. That's the end of the message. You're so worthy of this. I love you. If you want to dive deeper into any of my offers, check me out on YouTube. I'm posting more on YouTube now, Divine X Dove. I got a bunch of workshops up for you guys. I'm so excited to have them launched. And I have the Dove Tribe too. In the Dove Tribe, you're going to get 2 community healing events, but I also am having my community healing circle on February 22nd, 222. So if you join the Dove Tribe, you get access to the community healing circle on next week on 2/12 and the healing circle on 2/22, as well as private workshops and meditations. I'm growing that community, so come check us out. And yeah, I love you. If you want to dive deeper in a reading, I think I have maybe 1 spot left at the end of the month. If you want to dive deeper in your own reading or healing session. And I'm going to be limiting my space in March because Mother Ayahuasca is calling me, and I'm preparing to sit with the medicine. So I will have very limited spaces in March. I might not even open up my calendar besides to a few of my students that I'm still working with. So, yeah. Okay. I love you. You are worthy of this. If you made it this far, drop a pink heart. 111 as I said that. If you made it this far to the end of the video, drop a pink heart. Know that you are worthy, and this is coming in. You can't stop the beat. All right. I love you. Goodbye.